All right. So we will talk today about the beer and bull flag setups. This is one of my best favorite trade setup ever. And if you trade this setup with the with conjunction with the price action, it will be like I can guarantee you almost like more than 75 to 80% probability. It's very high win rate strategy. It's very easy. You don't need any fancy momentum. You don't need anything. It's very easy. All you need is any momentum indicator. MACD is fine. Anyone free Ninja Trade has MACD, doesn't matter. Any momentum indicator, just put it here. That's it. Before you understand how to trade bull and bear flag, I'm gonna make a whole course about price action, how to trade. And I guess if you know, I trade price action lately. I don't trade any moving average shit crap. I don't like this. All this lagging indicator, I don't like. I trade naked price action, support resistance, and momentum. That's it. That's me. And I use this strategy to read stocks, forex, options, anything. All right. I just want to give you a brief what is the bull flag before I go in the course to explain, because you have to use it with the momentum, with the price action. What is a bull flag? Bull flag mean bullish. Okay, bear flag mean bearish. All right. Bull flag means, let's say now we have the market. We are in a live market. Market is now, we have two green bars, everything's fine. You look at the momentum, it's green, right? Fine, it's good. Not gonna jump now. No, not jumping. All right. We have a bull flag here, but forget about it. You don't see it. Okay? Just bear with me. Right? Now, right, we have a pause bar. We have a pause bar. You know the green bar? Open here, close here, right? Open here, close here, right? Just a green bar. Open here, close here, right? And this bar close above the last close. Open, close, sorry, close below it, right? So this is open, this close. If you look at this, here, I'm going to show you. This is the close. Close below the last bar, close. That's why I call pause bar. This pause bar could be red, green, doji, shit, I don't care. Doesn't mean to be red or green. I don't care. Any pause bar, meaning the market is taking a break. And we still have a green momentum. Have a green momentum, pause bar. See, the bar is closing. If you look at to go long, this bar should be closing below the last bar. This is bull flag, 100%. All you need to do is add your buy stop limit here. That's it. Still green, momentum, right? We're not going to trade it blindly. We're not going to take every bull flag in the market. It's not going to happen. You have to filter them, but you understand the closure. And by the way, these arrows, I just make an indicator to show me these arrows. It's very simple. You can even program it. I'm thinking to add it for sale if you guys want it in the future, but you don't need it. You just can visualize it. It's very easy. All right? And you buy stop limit here. And let's see what. Whoa. And you still have, well, you have another one here. You have another one here. All right? We're not going to take all of these. And how we trade the bull flag or bull flag. How we trade it. Let's say you have now this bull flag setup here. Okay? Yeah, buy stop limit here. Buy stop limit here. Your stop could be either way. It could be below the last bar, which is the pause bar, just right below it, or below last pivot. If you want to be conservative or you want to be using wide stop, which I like to use wide stop, especially in this volatility, you can do it, right? Can use it. And always use two contracts, three. I'm a big fan of using more than contract. You know, one contract, if you add one contract, you know, I lose this money, but if you take profit on the table, you're gonna get the contract. So use two contracts. First one, use it to near support or resistance or near whole number. Like you see now, this market happened here, and we have this 1 second. This is a 379. This is a 3710 line. This should be next time or first time. Should be. No question asked. This should first time. 100%. Or next support resistance. If you have this one here, it's already now the same line. So this is your next time or first time. Second contract, you keep trailing your second contract below last bar when the bar closed. And by the way, I'm trading this in 2 minutes. I don't like to trade in 1 minute, it's very noisy. I like to trade in 2 minutes and 5 minutes, sometimes 15 minutes. But 2 minutes risk will be lower. So let's say you enter the market here now. Here, you're on the market now. This you buy stop limit right? And you trigger it. Right? This you stop loss. Can make a different color. I'll show you exactly how to use it. You enter the market now, you stop loss here. Or here. Doesn't matter. Here, let's say it. And make it always 4 ticks below that wick. Right? And you wait. You wait until the bar completely close. Completely closed. And you move it here. 4 ticks below. This bar is closed? Not yet. It's closed. Move it here. 4 ticks below. This bar closed? Yes, it's closed. Move your stop loss here. And now you stop down. How much point you made? If you calculate from here, enter the market here, is first contract here is 18 ticks for the first contract, and the second contract, let's say from here to there, it's almost 15. Stuff like maybe 40 ticks or 35 ticks, which is if you do one contract, it's a lot more in less than maybe 5 minutes. This is a 2 minute chart. So 1, 2, yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 2 minutes, 10 minutes. That's it. That's it. But are you gonna take all? And let's talk about B flag. Because we didn't have a lot of B flag today. Market is moving higher, higher, higher. Like it's very, very bullish. Didn't have a lot of B flags, but here we go. This is not a good one too. This one. See, market is moving down. Momentum is red. Everything is good, right? Are you gonna jump in? No. Wait. Here we go. Pause bar. What happened? Close above the last bar close. This is a pause bar. Should be triggered immediately. Your stop loss, your sell stop limit should be here, right now, waiting. Again, we're not gonna treat every bull and bear flag. Just showing the concept, and then you can filter which one you're gonna take, which one you're not. And then we wait, and you have to look at the momentum. If you see the momentum get green, cancel your still stop limit. Done. Wait for another one. Don't say, okay, I have this big flag here, I'm gonna wait. No, if the momentum still get green now, just cancel. Now momentum is still red. Everything is good. Looks good. Looks good. Looks good. Here you go. Here is trigger. You are in the market now, right? What is your next target? Very obvious. Can you anything mean which your next target? What is the next target? Anyone? Anyone know? Where is our next target? Anyone? Guys? Yeah, 3640. Exactly. This is our next target. Obvious. Right? So first target here, your stop loss is going to be where? You can trade again. We understand the whole momentum and price action is going to be like so easy for you. This is your stop loss. And when you enter the market right now, you should be here now. And your stop loss should be above this bar trigger. What is the bar? This one. This is the bar trigger. And you have to remember which bar you trigger. Or you can use this one, but you know, this one is better. Here. This should stop. And market is moving. First bar, wait. Okay, you triggered already. First bar, move your stop, close, 4 ticks below it. First bar, move your stop below it. This bar closed, have to wait. By the way, because I see a lot of folks, the ad you stop, the market, the bar is not closed yet. Don't do that because it will stop you out most likely. Just normal setting, just do not default setting. You don't need to adjust it. All right, and there we go. Stop loss here. And look at this. This bar closed. Stop loss here. Again, look at this. If your bar close here, where are you gonna put your stop loss? Here or where? Can you guys tell me? If your stop loss, if your bar closed there, are you gonna put your stop there or below the 6.5 or above the 3640? Which one you prefer?
Above.
Yeah, makes sense, right? You need to hide your stop. Yeah, so you're gonna have like 4 ticks above it. And then wait. And stop that. It's fine. It's fine. How many points you make there? From here. Into bracket here, yeah. From here. This is your first target. And by the way, first target, second target, the same. Almost 24 ticks, almost 48 ticks. Stuff like that. A lot of money. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, almost 10 minutes, same, right? Again, I don't like to use it in 1 minute. Very noisy. Right. This is the setup. So when you have a trend, you have a market moving, momentum in your direction, look at the pause bar. You have any pause bar? If you look at short momentum, you have any pause bar close above, last close? Yes, it's a pause bar. Below it, at your self-stop level. And the vice versa from below. But are you gonna take every single bar, one of them? Like this here, this here, this? No. No. You have to understand something very important. 1 second. Oh, there's still people who are not it. Market, any market, so forex, stocks, options, whatever, has 3 phases. Only move in 3 phases. There's no 4th. Only 3. Higher highs, higher lows, uptrend. Higher highs, higher lows, uptrend. Or lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, downtrend. Should be downtrend. This is the first one. This is the second one. And third one, which one? Sideways. Consolidation. Right? Market will not move anything unless this one of 3. 1, 2, 3. That's it. Every time you take a trade, doesn't matter, by the way, it could be anything, unless you are a range trader or sideways trader. Some people trade range. They find well-defined range and they trade it. Some folks, what they do is, I'm not this trader, but it's not bad, but I don't do it. They will define support and resistance and they buy high, sell low. That's it. That's all you do the whole day. But it's not me. Right, so let's say here. See, what's the time? Market move, consolidate, get the lower low. This could be our entry here because market break the low, then we go short. We're not gonna go short this crap here. Let's show you now. All right, market break the up, but no, this didn't work because it didn't break it already. And again, come to the chop zone, break it with long, and boom, look what happened. Look what happened. This consolidation. So we're in consolidation now. That's why I'll take this one to break it. If you look at the market like this, that's why I like always to zoom in before you take any trade to see what phase are you on. Are you in the consolidation? Are you in the move? Where are you? If you are in consolidation, you have to know what is your lower low. Do you see lower lows, lower highs? Do you see higher highs, higher lows? You don't see that. You don't see anyone see higher lows? No, nothing. This is high, low, high, low, high, low, high, low, garbage. When you break it, when you have a bar, break the last bar high. The last pivot high. This is the last pivot high. This bar break it. We are out. Not chop zone anymore. This is your freaking entry. Look at this bar. I'm going to show you now. See? This entry I take in the morning all the time. Break it. This bar close below it. Can't see because of this big arrow, but you will see it in your chart. This is your freaking entry. Here you go. Break the last pivot high. You break the zone. You're not in the chop zone anymore. Because you break the last pivot high. If you can see here, this is the last pivot low. This is the last pivot high. Market is narrowing. Even when we come down here, didn't touch the lower low. The last pivot low. Didn't touch it. Did he touch it? No. It's just ranging between the last pivot low, last pivot high. last pivot low, last pivot high. In between, you're not gonna trade this shit. Forget about it. This will clear your account. Just wait to break the last pivot high or last pivot low. Doesn't matter. This last pivot low. High, sorry. This is your entry. Right there. Right there. Or actually, right there. Be safe. And this trade, like I said, this depends on your trading management. For me, I like to use wide stop. This is in this case. So for me, if I'm using this trade, my stop should be. I'm gonna add my stop right there. I like to use wide stop. So my stop is gonna be should be there. Here. This is gonna be my stop. Me. But it's okay, you're gonna have losing trades, you're gonna have all winners, right? And you can get in board again, no problem. But for me, I'm gonna use this wide stop. Because I'm into the market here already, I'm gonna use 2 bars at least, and see. Even if you enter the market here and you add your stop loss, what do you enter the market? Let's see. Okay. Yeah. By the way, if I use you, I'm gonna use this stop loss here. Because I use already second bar. This is the trigger bar. This is the bar you trigger the entry. This is the one. So I'm not adding my stop below this one. This is not me. I added one more bar below it. And this is, by the way, this is better. And if you see, if you think this is a wide stop, I can use it, trade small, trade micro. Because if you're using tight stop, trying to think, I don't want to risk more. By the way, you're giving your money to the market. Because the market is very volatile. If you think like you're gonna use 2-point stop for this market, oh my god, it will kill you. So we to stop here, second bar. And there we go. Your target, what is your first target? You want to know? 3860. It's your first target. 3660. First target. So you stop. Now we own the market now, right? So imagine the market now. You're gonna move your stop here. You're gonna move your stop here. Below this bar 1 tick or 4 ticks. You stay in the market, right? This second bar, I'm not sure I can just put you on the market now. This bar complete. You didn't hit your first target yet. For me, I will not move my stop loss from here until I hit my first stop. That's me. Right? It's trade management. Make a lesson about it. It's up to you. It's personal preference. But for me, I never use my stop loss until I hit my first stop. Just keep it. That's it. That's for me. So my first target hit. I start using the one contract, and then I start using like this one here. This is gonna be my stop. Using the last bar, the whole break it, and then start moving my last bar, and then like this, and then like this. This one should be, and again, if you see lines like this, or this the previous day high, just move your stop 4 ticks ago. Save it. And then your stop gonna be here. The next bar here, stop gonna be here, and then you stop down there. How many points in this trade? Let's say you stopped out here. This fucking 10 points, man. Sorry, 107 ticks divided by 4, 25 points almost. 25 points. And you made another, how many points you made in this first target from here to there? 22 ticks. Almost 26, 27 points per contract. Just 2 contracts. But again, this strategy is the best when you trade it with the momentum. And by the way, if let's say you stopped out here somewhere, and yet you have already entry, you have your market here. Here we go. This is your entry. Pulse bar goes below it. This is your buy stop limit here. Stop loss should be here. Or here if you're conservative, let's say your stop loss should be here. And then ride the momentum. Move your stop. This is the way. Some folks do like that. They like 2-to-1 profit target. So I'm gonna have my stop, like let's say 40 ticks, my profit 80 ticks, I'm done. Okay, do it. But you're gonna miss this. You're gonna miss it. If you have a big momentum trade, you're gonna miss it. So I like to stay in a trade. Try to stay in it as much as you can, especially if it's winning. So how to filter this by how to read the price action. I will make a lesson about how to read the price action. It's very easy. You just need to understand what's higher highs mean, lowest lower highs, and then you can look at the big picture and see where are you now. Before I open the market is open, 9:30 or 9 or whatever, I always look at the market. But listen, trading at the open is different than after that. If you guys see me on a trading at the open, it's way different than anytime else. Because the difference is open is different. Open, I'm trading with the flow. I see the order coming, then with level 2, so I see push the market. There's a lot of orders waiting for the open. So I want to go with the flow. So it doesn't matter if I am in the choppy area like now, and let's make market open here now. Here, I'm in the market open now. And by the way, this happened today. Turns out to be choppy day and lose. It doesn't mean to be green bar, buddy, or red. It doesn't mean to be green or red. All you need to know, two things. One second. We should like some. That's the same thing here. First, we have this. So we're looking for a long now. We have green bars, nice, beautiful. Look at the momentum. Is it green? Nice. Keep looking. Keep looking until you see bar. If you guys see, okay, guys, what is the green bar mean? Okay, green bar, open here, close here. So when you have a bar moving up nicely, it's always going to be the bar close, every bar close above the next bar. This is the momentum, higher highs, higher lows. Makes sense? In the middle of the move, you always see one bar or two. They close, if you look in the long, they close below the last bar, like this one here. This bar open here, close here. This one, look at this bar here. Or look at this bar, Gucci. This bar open here, close here, even above this bar. Still no problem. This is not a bull flag. This bar here, open here, close here, above this bar, no problem. Bull flag. This bar here, open here, close here. Where? Close below the bar. And we are still green. What does that mean? Meaning we are in pause. Market is pausing. Doing this. Let's continue. We're gonna jump into this now. Should be your entry should be right there. Boom. And the best trend you take, by the way, the best of the best. This one here. When you come out of the again, there's a lot of ways you can trade the bull flag. We have something called micro trend. We have breakouts. If you have if you say if I have micro trend, yeah, sorry, if you say if I have a bear flag, we have it a lot today. We got a lot of them. I made a lot of money today yesterday. A lot of money. Just trading the bear bull flag with breakouts. All right. This will define support, right? Or resistance. That doesn't matter. Name it whatever you need. Come one, touch it, didn't touch it, again, rejected, again, rejected, right? Again, come retest it, retest it, retest it, retest it, fail. Stay in a chop zone now. The best trade you take it when you get out of chop zone. Market move like this, see this? Market move. All this move here now. And by the way, if you guys can look at this, this is consolidation area. You guys always see me. If you guys send me this screenshot, how you define your market. This is the consolidation area. Market move. Consolidation area. Market move. Consolidation area. Could be down here. Market move. It could be moving down. By the way, doesn't mean to be have like a big move like this one. It's just market move higher. Consolidation area. Market move. Same, and you guys see same consolidation area. Back again, no business. I'm calling it no business zone. It's no business zone. Buyer and sellers are no business. Same here. Coming back to the same chop zone. We chop again. See, whenever you come to this zone, we chop. Whenever you come to the zone, we chop. This is called non-business zone. So we should draw this zone before the market when you're trading. So we know if you get the zone, don't trade. Right? If you get a bear flag here, don't take it. If you get a bull flag here, don't take it. Don't take it. See? This one example. This is a bull flag. Market moving up, up, and green, still green, green, green. We have a pause bar here. close below it. Should be now long, right? Okay, but look what happened. If you're using a stop loss, the move is not nice. You can have your first target, yeah, but you kill the second. Why do that? You don't need that. This chop zone, forget about it. You take this one. You take this one right here. When they break it, you take it. Take some profit and out. Come back to the chop zone again. Don't think about it. Here, this could be losing trade. Low the 3. And again, this one of the filters we're gonna use, how to filter. We're gonna take any trade pull with flags. If you like today, you have a very, very big move upside. You're not gonna take short pure flag if it's very strong, but most likely focus on that big long pure flag. Especially while I'm trading, I always my eye on the 5 minutes to 30-minute chart. If I see bull flag on the 5 minutes, very obvious. And yes, oh my God, if I have a 3-minute bull flag, this is beautiful. I take 2 minutes blindly, because it's conjunction with that bigger time frame. Right. I'll make a lesson about this. You can have a whole of videos about how to trade the bull for pure flag. Other thing is called micro trend. What's a micro trend? And if you combine micro trend and bull pure flag, you're gonna make a lot of money. I want to show you something. Let's see the big picture. So today, this is the market, right? This is the market. Higher high, higher lows, choppy sometimes, and then choppy here, yeah, then break. See, if you guys see this, I always sometimes I look at the market and zoom in and look at this. This happens every day. Every guys open any chart, anything, and look at the market, especially index futures. See the same W, break, W, break. That's the market every day. I know why. Most of these market movers are machines, right? Algos. So you can protect this move. And this head and shoulders, break, boom. Head and shoulders, break, boom. So what is a micro trend? Now let's say now here, market now is moving higher highs, higher lows. We're beautiful. We take this. This is where B flag, by the way, you take it, you make some profit, everything is good, and start market now start. When do you know a chop zone? By the way, this is most important. Because if you're in a market now, all right, how do I know I'm a chop zone? Anyone know? How do you know if you are a chop zone? Anyone? What is the definition of the uptrend? Sideways. What is the definition of uptrend? Market is moving higher highs, higher lows. Okay, so we are now in uptrend, right? Look at this. Market making lower lows. Are we in downtrend? If the market keep doing lower lows, yes, you're up to downtrend. Now, yes, we can say, but not yet. Market now start making higher lows. Oh, lower lows, higher lows, lower low, higher lows. Look, it's not a trend. And we stay if the market, when the try go up, they stay with the same range, the same last pivot before the move happened. So now we now consider this sideways move. We are in the chop now. Forget about it. We need to just mark this one here. We are in a chop mode. Let's see what's gonna happen. But the overall momentum is long, right? For now, long, right? The chop means the market moving in range between the last pivot, before the chop happening, and the first pivot, which this pivot here, it didn't touch it by the way. This is the last pivot. Market is closing, opening, closing between this range. So this is sideways, and the range is narrowing. See, narrowing. Let's see, right? So we will see this happen. When this happens, you will see the market start doing something very. I don't see now it's happening here now. 1 second. This way market break down. But I will show you what I mean. If you are here now, our bias is long, right? Our bias is long. Market is moving up. So I'm gonna go long. We have this bull flag. Didn't we had this buy stop limit here for 1 minute, 2 minutes, didn't trigger. We see the and you still see red, green. Now, when you see the green, cancel. There's no bull flag. When you see green, in the momentum, there's no trade. Cancel. Now we need to go long or break this line and go short. Doesn't matter. You wait, break it, bull flag, you go short. Right? And this one is losing actually. Because this one actually add the support. So, and by the way, this one of the thing you need to filter the bull bear flag. You have to have a room for first target. Do you have a room here? You don't have it. There is no room here. Look at this last resistance here. And you guys know always support act resistance. So your bear flag here, you have a room here? No, see, I'm not gonna take this one. So one of the things you have to always mark your support resistance 100%. Okay? You don't have a room here. So garbage. Right? Now, if you look at this is called macro trend. What is a macro trend? This is a trend, this is a short trend, right? This is a short trend. Can even this one is very long. This is a short trend, market short and short. But you know the market is already trending up. So this consolidation area should be an end. When it ends, we'll break the macro trend. And 90.99%, when you see the market break the micro trend, it will snap. Like, look at this bar. Snap. So the way I trade micro trend, sometimes you don't need, by the way, for a bill flag. If you have a strong momentum upside, we have a short micro trend. Trade the breakout immediately. Don't think about it. The way I trade micro trend, if I see this happening now, let's say I'm here now. And I see now momentum is up. Actually sideways, but all this moves up. I see micro trend, I want to break it. I will add my stop, I will add my bus stop over here, above this bar. And my stop should be, and my target should be at 36.0. It's very close. Nice. That's it. That's it. And if you have a micro trend with momentum, with bull flag or bear flag, doesn't matter. This is like, very high percent. But my favorite trade for the bear flag, breaking out support and resistance. That's my favorite. This I'm trading this. You guys see the room every single day. I especially look for the whole numbers, like maybe like 3830. If I see breaking it, I look at the 5-minute chart. If I see any signal for a bear flag, I look any setup in 2 minutes. I'm in that trade immediately. Do you guys understand this for now? This is not the whole system. Just explaining what I'm trading in the morning. You guys understand what I'm doing? You understand anything? Any questions? Any questions? We have question? Go ahead, man. Micro trend. You understand what a micro trend is? This is the trend, the main trend. This is what I call micro. This is the main trend, right? There we go. This is the main trend. Up, right? I want to continue the main trend. That's one of the best things about micro trend is you trading with the momentum. So we look for the sideways, we look for the narrowing price action to perform opposite trend, which is short trend, to trade the break, like this one. Look at this. One second. This is the trend. I'll explain this and how to. This is not the best trend, but here we go. The more lines the more dots, the more will be better. So this is a micro trend. Market is going long, coming to sideways, performing this micro trend, and you see this happening here now. My stop limit should be. And like I said, 90.9999%, you will see the first bar break the micro trend will be like huge bar. And you can trade the micro trend the same way you trade the Robin flag. 2 contracts. First one, pick any near support resistance. Second one, trade it below or above bar low or high. Got it now? Understand it? Momentum indicator, name and symbol. You can use anything. MACD, it's free. Trader. Any momentum, MACD, no setting, just default. Don't need to do any fancy. There's no special setting or no, just small default and use it. All right. So the way I'm trading every morning, what I'm doing is, let's say I'm trading now. I have the 2 minutes chart. Right. What I'm doing is, I go to the 5-minute chart. First, sorry, I go to the 30-minute chart. First, sorry, I go to the daily chart. So let's start daily chart. Let me change the screen. So I go daily chart. And by the way, I think we're going to have a bear flag. Okay, guys. At this bar, when the market closes, going to be bear flag or no? Anyone know? When the market closes today, R2Y daily chart. Are we going to have a bear flag? Yes or no? And other question. If you guys answer this right, you guys understand me. Other question. Why we don't have any bear flag in this bar here? 1 second. I don't know how to draw this bar here. Why you don't have a bear flag signal here? And it's a pause bar, right? And momentum is red. Why you don't have it? Anyone know? No one know? Because this pause bar, the high, it should be closing above the last bar to consider a pause bar. This is still down bar. It looks green, yeah, but it's down bar. Yeah. This is the open. This is the open. This is the close. And look at this. Didn't even touch it. Bar open here, close here. Should be closed below it. Sorry, for short, should be close above it. Should if this bar close right here, right there, this is a right bear flag. The close should be above. If you're looking for short, the bar closing should be above the last bar to consider a buzz bar. Yeah, this one here close way above it, way above it. We still have red, not strong, but still have red. So I think the market the indicator will print bear flag after not close. I think, yeah. So we might think about go short, and the signal gonna be here. Let's see. But I'm not a big fan for it. For now, let's see. I want one more confirmation. But if you guys see now, even with a daily chart here, when I have this is a bear flag here, short here, same thing, same thing. Let's stop here. And this is daily, by the way. So you're gonna have a swing trade. This is not gonna happen with the index stuff like that. So if you enter the market here and you stopped out, let's say right there, this is 656 ticks. And currency during R2Y micro 1 e-mini, this 4 grand in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 days a week. One contract. Trading only one contract. Or you can trade micro. So the way I'm trading this is I am opening the position at 4 p.m. Sorry, 6 p.m. every day. Open my position. Let's say if you have a now bear flag, 6 p.m. Okay, I add my steady stop limit. Okay, I leave the market move the whole day, then touch it. Usually I take 1 micro. Don't touch it. And at 5 p.m. for the market close my position as it is. And then establish another 6 p.m. another position and add my stop below or above the last bar high. Keep doing that. That's it. This is the way I swing trade developing flag. It's a nice way to make income. It's hassle free. So You open your daily chart, you look at the support and resistance, well-defined support and resistance, you throw them down, know the numbers, and then you add them to your 2-minute chart. And you make them different colors. Let's say this is the daily chart color, so make it like maybe pink, whatever color, and then add your 2-minute chart. So when the market reaches this point, this is a daily chart. So this is very strong. When you reach higher time frame, support will be more strong. You done this, and don't add just all the support. No, just add the one close to your price action. Maybe one here, this one here, stuff like that. And then go to 240-minute chart. 240 minutes, do the same. Add your support resistance in the 2-minute chart. And same thing with the probably about 35 minutes now, just 30 minutes. Same thing, add your 3 minutes support resistance. All right, let's see now. We might have a bit lag right now. But again, I'm gonna take bill flag here now. Anyone want to take bill flag here now? Do you want to take bill flag here? You want to go short right now in this big monster move? No, don't do that. Don't do that. No need to. And by the way, it's only 3:30. All this bull flag. Go look at this one here. Didn't touch it. Come here, this canceled, and then we have another one here. Didn't touch it, and then touch cancel. We have another one here. This one trigger with some profit. Break even the second contract. Get one here, cancel. Get one here. This one is the nicest one. I got it already. This one here, break it, boom. A second chance here, break it, boom. And in the move itself, I like to take the first one and second. That's it. I don't like to take the third and fourth. I like to wait when the market move, consolidate a little bit, and then work and look for any micro trend or stuff like that, and then market break, and then I look for another breaker. But that's it for today. And wait for me. I'm gonna start next week. I'm gonna have a whole course about price action. I'm gonna start from scratch. I know if you guys already have experience in trading, it's good. But I'm gonna explain how to read the price action. This is the most important thing about any indicator or stuff like that. Price action is the key. And then how to read the momentum, and then how to apply, how to read the candlesticks patterns, very important. And then how to apply my strategy to price action with momentum. That's it. Very easy, simple to use. You can trade it, stocks, options, forex, doesn't matter. It's applied to it. Good. Any questions? Any questions so far? No questions? All right. See you guys all tomorrow at 8:50 a.m. in the morning. Get ready all over. We will teach all the flow. Later. Price action is more important. All right, guys. See you tomorrow.